At sunrise, the heart of our operation awakens. Dedicated artisans preparing to create the world's finest leather goods. To the beginning of transformation. The journey continues inside advanced facilities, where raw materials are carefully handled. Each hide carries natural character. Only the finest are selected. Where raw material becomes refined craftsmanship. The transformation begins with deep cleaning. Removing impurities from the surface. Every piece is carefully inspected. Advanced treatments prepare the leather. Enhancing strength and flexibility. Slowly, raw hide becomes refined material. Carefully dried under controlled conditions. Carefully dried under controlled conditions. Now, the texture begins to feel luxurious. Machines ensure consistent quality. Color is added with precision.
Creating a palette of elegance.
Every shade must be perfect. Prepared for the next stage of craftsmanship. Where design and precision take over. Now, precision takes center stage.
Each design begins with a perfect layout.
Every piece is placed with absolute accuracy. Guidelines are drawn with precision. Advanced tools ensure flawless cutting. Where machines end, craftsmanship begins. Each cut reveals perfection.
Organize for the next stage.
Edges are refined to the finest detail.
Finished by skilled hands.
Identity is marked with precision. A symbol of quality and elegance.
Look at this fraying on the edge here.
Yes,
Yes, I see it.
logging as a Type 2 anomaly.
Prepared for the art of assembly. Next, craftsmanship comes to life. This is where craftsmanship begins. Every stitch holds precision. Where human skill meets machine rhythm. Form begins to take shape. Each part carefully assembled. Bonded with precision. Secured with strength. Aligned to perfection.
Every angle carefully examined.
Now ready for finishing. Refined to the finest detail. Shaped under controlled conditions. Built for lasting strength.
The form is complete.
Now comes the final touch.
Now comes the final touch.
A surface that reflects elegance.
Perfected in every detail.
Crafted into perfection.
Carefully protected. Placed with precision. Sealed with elegance. Ready to meet the world.
Prepared for delivery.
Every pair tracked with precision. Organized for shipment.
Moving toward their destination.
The journey continues beyond the factory. From craftsmanship to the open road. Traveling across distances.
Until it reaches you.
An experience beyond expectations.
This is not just a shoe. This is luxury, crafted to perfection.